Hi, I'm Dr. Saab. Today I'll show you how patients like you can use artificial intelligence or AI to stay healthier, save time, and make the most of your doctor visits. You don't need to be a tech expert. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Dr. Saab. Today I'll show you how patients like you can use artificial intelligence or AI to stay healthier, save time, and make the most of your doctor visits. You don't need to be a tech expert. Let's get started. Think of AI as your health assistant. It can analyze data, recognize health patterns, and even help you ask better questions when you visit the doctor. AI is already in apps that are free and easy to use right on your phone. There are AI tools you can start using today. First, symptom checkers like WebMD and Mayo Clinic's Assistant can help you understand your symptoms. Next, apps like MediSafe or Alexa Health remind you to take medications. Need help with fitness or diet? AI apps like Fitbit or MyFitnessPal adjust to your habits. And if language is a barrier, AI translators like Google Translate can bridge the gap. AI chatbots like K-Health, HealthTap, or even ChatGPT can answer common health questions 24/7. These tools help you learn, prepare for doctor visits, and understand your condition. But remember, they don't replace real doctors. Want to make doctor visits more productive? Use apps like Notion AI to list your symptoms and questions. Use Otter.ai to take notes and summarize visits. And for confusing medical terms, ask ChatGPT to explain them in plain English. Your health information is private. Only use trusted apps with strong privacy policies. Look for HIPAA-compliant platforms and never share personal info like your full name or social security number in a chatbot. AI is evolving quickly. Soon, it will help spot diseases earlier, personalize your care based on your DNA, and send real-time alerts before symptoms even start. The future of healthcare is smarter, and it's already here. To recap, download a trusted AI health app, prepare for your appointments with questions, track your meds and goals, and always follow up with your doctor. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more tips. I'm Dr. Saab, and my mission is to make healthcare smarter, simpler, and safer for you. Thanks for watching.